Hey there, fellow content creators. I'm excited to share with you how TubeBuddy has completely transformed my YouTube journey, propelling me from getting about 100 views per video to receiving thousands upon thousands. When I first started my YouTube channel, I faced the challenges of gaining traction and reaching a wider audience. But then I discovered TubeBuddy in late 2022, and everything changed. TubeBuddy quickly became my ultimate companion, offering a powerful suite of features that optimize my workflow, enhance my videos, and supercharge the growth of my channel. One of the game-changing features for me was the Keyword Explorer. With TubeBuddy, I could identify the most relevant and high-ranking keywords for my video titles, tags, and descriptions. With the free version, you are limited to 3 tags per video from TubeBuddy. However, with the premium version, which I plan to update to, you can have many more. By leveraging TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer, I optimized my videos to align with what my audience was actively searching for, instantly boosting my chances of being discovered and increasing my view count. TubeBuddy's video SEO tools became my secret weapon for unlocking higher visibility and engagement. By analyzing my video content, TubeBuddy offered valuable suggestions for optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. You can tell that this works because if you type in this prompt, which I've made a few videos about, I am ranking first here. These are both my shorts. That's my video. Don't think either of those are. Scroll down a little bit here. This is recommended for me. My video. With TubeBuddy's video SEO, my videos started climbing the ranks in search results. You could see that I had actually a #1 placement, which is pretty cool. It is on my own computer, but on others it would be, 1, 2, or maybe 3rd place. My videos started climbing the ranks in attracting more organic views and bringing in a steady stream of new subscribers. You can see my subscriber and view count went from going like this, like I'd have like random videos that would do well, it was all spiky, to now it's just almost a perfect mountain. Like it's only been going up, really. I have had some crazy days, but still keeps going up. It's really life-changing. TubeBuddy's A/B testing feature became my creative playground. It allowed me to experiment with different thumbnails, titles, and tags, making a data-driven decision to maximize the click-through rate of my videos. You can see these are 2 possible thumbnails that I had, and TubeBuddy took this into account. So, first day with the first thumbnail, you can see it has like a 16, so it's a little bit lower. Second day it bumps up with the second thumbnail. Third, it goes down again with that first thumbnail. These are about even, but it just switches the thumbnails every single day. Or every other day it'll be the first one, every other day it'll be the second one. And somewhere around, I think I had it set to 30 days. You can pick how long you want, but somewhere around 30 I think I did it. And then it would pick whichever thumbnail acted best. And as you can see, it would have been the one on the right that I showed you. Thanks to TubeBuddy's A/B testing, I was able to fine-tune my titles, my thumbnails, and my descriptions, because you can do A/B testing on all of those. I was able to actually, due to that, come up with better titles because I knew what worked, because TubeBuddy would show me what worked. So while making my titles and thumbnails, I knew what would be clicked and what wouldn't be clicked, and then I would still A/B test. I would always get 2 thumbnails. But it really is a great tool, and I think I named 3 tools so far, and I don't even know how many tools there are. Like, it feels limitless, the potential that you can get with TubeBuddy. And I think I haven't even scratched the surface in this video. So if you decide that you want to use TubeBuddy, I'll have it as the first link in the description. Now, I'm kind of an affiliate, I guess, because I do get the premium version for making a video on this. But I reached out, like there's a section on TubeBuddy where you can receive the premium version for free if you make a video on it, and I chose to do that because I want the premium version. And when this free trial runs out, I will end up buying it because I really do support this company, and I think that it has changed my ability to succeed on YouTube infinitely. I really think that this was going to help me go far. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Again, TubeBuddy link in description, and subscribe if you stayed this long. Thank you.